Ihr hat sich bekannt mit Leonard Bernstein?
Oh, yes.
Was für ein Mensch ist gewesen?
An enigma. Very warm, very loving. During rehearsals in Central Park, Oscar would bring Mark, and he would bring his son Alex. They were a year apart. They both became history professors. Alex taught for a while at Brooklyn College. I don't know where he is now. The boys would be playing on the rocks in Central Park for the park concert. And sometimes they would forget that there was a rehearsal going on, and Bernstein would stop the rehearsal and he'd say, Yingalach, Sha, because they'd start yelling at him. I see you, I don't see you. So that kind of enigma, and yet he could be a terror in front of an orchestra. He could make strong men have weak knees because, you know, he was auditioning them. So, really an amazing person, in some ways a wonderful father, a horrible husband. Of course, yeah, his life had all kinds of permutations, but to me, I only remember the good sides, because I saw mostly only the good sides.